Alright, what we got to work on today is an Echo cs300 chainsaw. This is the pruner's chainsaw, the kind you would bring up in a tree with you for limbing and upper tree work. It doesn't have the back handle. It actually is supposed to have a little ring here where you can tie it off for safety on your lanyard. This one's missing the lanyard and it has a few cracks, but what the real problem is that primer bulb. There's a giant hole in it, dry rotted. Let's change that out. Not a big job. Standard DIY tools is all you need. This is the front air cleaner, air filter cleaner, cover, filter. Here's the primer bulb assembly. It has, I'm going to get you zoomed in a little here so you can see what I'm talking about. It has one line of very small diameter that goes down to the carburetor, and another one that goes down to the tank. So I'm going to take these off. Tank one, carburetor one, and all we got to do is pop out this little guy, and what we're looking for, I've got the replacement one already, so it's easy to figure out what it's going to come, how it's going to come apart. It's simple. Clip, just pop that one in a little bit, pop that one in a little bit. Out she comes. Let's see if I can do that while still staying in frame. That's one side. There we go. It's literally that easy. And it does matter which way goes in. There's a little nubby right on this. That goes to the front. If you had it the other way, it just will never clip down all the way. You have to have it there so that drops in the hole. So I got a decent focus there. There's one line, one nipple that's longer and one that's shorter. The shorter one goes to the small one, which goes to the carburetor. The long one goes to the tank. That's important, otherwise it'll prime backwards. I don't know the proper size from Echo, but this I used was 2 mm inside diameter, 3.5 outside diameter. A lot of times you can get a little variety pack, has different ones, but that's what fit mine. And for the other one, I'm going to use one that's just a little bigger. This size nipple is no different, but on the fuel tank side, by the way, I'm putting new lines. You may not have to on yours. I feel it's the right thing to do. That barb there, well, not barb, but the fitting is a little bit bigger than this will really stretch to go over. So I'm going to go with just one size up, and I'll try to find what size that is for you that fit on mine anyway, because I just don't trust these things. Once you put them back on, they get real hard, and they may leak. If it leaks, it could start a fire or not prime. Both things are unacceptable. Alright, the other one, the large one I'm going to call it, is 1/8 inside diameter, 3/16 outside diameter. It's just a hair bigger if it's a little looser on there, but it'll make it over that one where the other one would not. I'm going to go, like I say, with the notch towards the front. Watch how this goes. Pull this one through. Where'd that other line go to get off to? Where are you? There we go. They had it run behind that choke. I usually try to follow the OE really perfectly, but there's no reason to really go behind that choke rod just to come over this way that I see. Just trying to slip it on there. That's one. There we go. Go beside it. Don't go right where that was because the rod was kind of pinching it. And then we'll snap it down into position. Get you a good shot here. See if it's got to spin a little maybe. I don't know. You're lining up those little things on the side. There it goes. All of a sudden it just goes. And let's watch our new fuel prime up there. I've probably already hit it a couple times. Let's see. See if we can see the fuel. There it goes. Nice. And we can see the bulb is starting to fill also. If I had it in frame, we could. There we go. She's good to run. That's all there is to getting a cs300 limiting saw with a new primer. I hereby declare that primer bulb Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.